package from China! Alright, what are we going to get? Seems to be no medal this time. But we have not only one quality pass. No! We have two quality pass! Woo! And it comes with a power supply and this little adapter. Not bad at all. It's a micro USB 5V. It's just like a charger for your phone. Let's see, we have a very long HDMI cable. Alright. We're having two controllers. Alright, let's take a closer look at it later. And we having here the system itself. And yes, it's got HDMI. It still looks a little bit different like the G1 I've reviewed before. But alright, let's take a closer look at this one too. Ooh, chippies. Chippy. Chemical cut plastic. Love it. Alright, let's take a close look at the system itself. It looks a little bit bulky. Here at the left we are finding the power on off and the reset. Very chippies feeling. At the front we are finding two original ports, or the ports they are using for the original Mega Drive. And at the back we are finding the micro USB for power and an HDMI. Alright, let's take a closer look at the controller. They're very light. Ooh, the D-pad is not bad at all, but the buttons? I'm going to need to check them out if they are very responsive, but in overall, very cheap, very cheap. I think they are not like the G1 that I reviewed before. So that should... yeah, this is a really big bummer. Alright, let's take a close look at the main menu. It got, first of all, the depressing song. And what I'm noticing that in my Elgato, I can see my left and right speaker, and I'm noticing that it's only mono. So that's a little bit of a bummer. Alright, let's do a little bit of scroll through the list. Did a little peek before I started recording, and I can already tell you that there are some good games on it. But I am missing out a lot of good games. So it's a little bit of a bummer. For example, Street Race 1 and 2 are on it, all the Golden Extra are here on it, Double Dragon, Battletoads, even Turtle Game is on it, but still I'm missing out a lot of good games. I did a review about the G1, also got 168 in one game, so I was hoping for the same result, same signal outputs, same games, because the thing was pretty damn awesome. So yeah, to conclude a little bit this list, let's do some gameplay. So yeah, people, for the final conclusion, I'm a little bit disappointed. Yes, because I was thinking, finally we did 168 games. Finally, we're having HDMI. The little point it needed to improve, but no, they messed it up. Yep, because the system doesn't have the same amount of games, or games like the same good quality games, and the HDMI, the sound is very horrible. It's mono sound. It's mono sound, people. Oh my G. So, and I see a little bit of graphical glitches here and there. So, in overall, no, I am not happy. I can't tell you. I can really tell you. So let me know what you think of this. We'd love to know. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe to become one of the Wicked family. And see you in my next video. And hit that little bell, because you're going to get notified for new videos.